How to start a YouTube channel complete step-by-step guide. Welcome to Sam's Shop Zone. If this is your first time here, I'm Mr. Sam, and this is your go-to channel for essential tips on making money, tech advice, and how to grow your YouTube channel. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Liking, sharing, and commenting also helps us bring you more valuable content. Be sure to watch until the end because I'll be sharing some crucial tips to help your channel grow quickly after it's launched. First, you need a Google account. The first step in starting your YouTube channel is having a Google account. If you don't have one yet, visit google.com and click Sign In at the top right corner, then follow the steps to create a new account. If you already have a Google account, then you're ready for the next step. This is the account you'll use to sign into YouTube and manage your channel. How to create your YouTube channel. Once you've signed into your Google account, you can now create your YouTube channel. Follow these steps. 1. Go to YouTube's website on your browser. 2. In the top right corner, click on your account icon. 3. From the drop-down menu, select Create a Channel. 4. YouTube will ask you to choose a name for your channel. You can either use your own name or a business name. After this, follow the simple instructions to finish setting up your channel. You'll upload a profile picture and add a short description about what your channel is about. Branding your channel. Now that your channel is created, it's important to make sure it reflects your brand well. Here are the key elements you'll want to focus on. Channel name. Choose a name that is easy to understand and relates to the content you'll be posting. Profile picture. Use a high-quality profile picture. If it's a personal channel, use your own photo. If it's a business channel, use your company's logo. Channel banner. This is the large image that appears at the top of your channel. Make sure it's professional and eye-catching, representing the type of content you'll be providing. Channel description. About section. Write a brief description about your channel, the content you'll be providing, and why people should subscribe. This is where you begin to build a connection with your audience. Uploading your first video. After setting up your channel, it's time to upload your first video. Here are some tips to make sure your first video is successful. 1. Prepare a script. Before recording, plan what you're going to say so you stay on track and deliver your message clearly. 2. Use a good camera or phone. Make sure the quality of your video is good. Even if you're using a smartphone, ensure it has a good camera so your video looks professional. 3. Edit the video. After recording, use editing software like iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, or mobile apps like InShot to make your video clean and engaging. 4. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. The thumbnail is the small image that shows before your video is played. Make it attractive by using bold text and images that stand out. Creating a content strategy. To grow your channel quickly, it's important to have a good content strategy. This means planning what types of videos you'll be making and how you'll build your audience. Here are some tips. Create a schedule. Choose specific days and times to upload new content so your viewers know when to expect something new. Pick a niche. Figure out what type of content you want to focus on, whether it's education, entertainment, product reviews, or skill tutorials. Listen to your audience. Pay attention to the comments and feedback from your viewers. This will help you understand what kind of content they want to see. Growing your audience and subscribers. Growing your YouTube channel takes time and effort, but here are some tips to speed up the process. Provide value. Make sure your content provides real value to your viewers. People like content that helps them, teaches them something, or entertains them. Use social media. Share your videos on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to attract new viewers. Collaborate with other channels. Find channels in your niche and collaborate with them by featuring each other's content. This can introduce your channel to new audiences. Use keywords. Make sure you use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results. And that's a step-by-step guide on how to start your own YouTube channel and make it grow. Remember, success on YouTube takes patience, creativity, and hard work. But with valuable content and the right strategies, you'll see your channel grow in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload new content. Your likes, comments, and shares help us create more valuable content for you. I'm Mr. Sam, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and don't give up.